What if I told you, there was once a time when rain had never fallen on Earth? Long ago, when the Earth was still very young, the sky had never cried. There were no storms, no raindrops, and no wet soil. The land was dry and dusty, and the rivers were thin and slow. Plants struggled to grow, and animals searched everywhere for water. The people who lived on Earth often looked up at the empty sky, wondering if it would ever send them help. One day, something unusual happened. Dark clouds slowly began to gather across the sky. The bright sun disappeared behind them, and the wind became cool and quiet. The animals stopped moving. The people looked up in surprise. They had never seen the sky look like this before. Suddenly, a tiny drop of water fell from the clouds. It landed softly on the dry ground. Then another drop fell. And another. Soon, thousands, then millions, of drops began falling from the sky. The sound of water tapping on leaves, rocks, and soil filled the air. It was the very first rain. The dry earth eagerly drank the water. Dust turned into soft soil. Small streams grew into flowing rivers. Plants lifted their leaves, and new green life began to appear everywhere. The animals danced and played in the falling drops. The people laughed with joy, letting the cool water touch their faces. From that day on, whenever the clouds gathered and the sky released its tears, the world knew that rain had returned to refresh the earth and bring life again. And everyone remembered the day the sky gave its first gift of rain.